Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to insert a YouTube video link in PowerPoint. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com and select the video you want to insert. Then, click on Share and copy the link of the video. Now, open PowerPoint and click on Blank Presentation. Then, select everything and click on Delete. Click on Insert and then Video and click on Online Video. Here you can search for the video you want to insert in YouTube. Oh, I have to search by the name, I guess. Go back to your YouTube video and copy the title, then paste it in YouTube and select your video and then click on Insert. Now you can adjust your video. Now for the second way, click on Insert, then Video and Online Video. Then paste the embed code of your video. Go back to the YouTube video and click on Share. Then click on Embed to copy the embed code. Here is the embed code. Click on Copy and go back to PowerPoint and paste the embed code in here. Then click on Insert. And that's it. Now you can adjust the video. And to play the video, just click on it and then click on Play. And here you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!